Hey guys, I'm Alexis Morgan. Welcome to another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood. We are in the garage and we are joined by Grizzlies power forward, Jarell Martin. Jarell, have you ever changed your own oil?
A couple times when I was in college, I changed my oil on my own, but now I just take it to a shop and let them do it.
Now let's say something goes wrong with your car. Who do you call? Do you call somebody in your family? Do you call a friend? Or are you a gears guy? Do you know what's going on under the hood? Can you change a flat tire?
Yeah, stuff like that, changing a flat tire and stuff, I can do that on my own. But if something major goes on, I'll contact my financial advisor and have someone from the dealership come pick it up or something. They'll fix it.
Thanks, Jarell, so much.
No problem.
And this has been another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood in the garage. See you down the road.